Right, afternoon. Some boxing to do today. I'm going to open the small one first because I don't know where they come from. Says tracked 48 hours, but I can't remember what this may be. It feels it's bubble wrapped quite a lot. It's got like little bells on it. So what it is, I've got no idea. Bring the camera down. Oh, motors. They are motors from Aliexpress. Right, so at least we know we got some motors. Although I've got plenty of motors, but we've got more motors. Right, Aliexpress package here. A proper one. Right, we have got a packet of 20 pieces of USB connectors, chargers. The reason I bought these is to make some electronic gadgets, but it should be USB to USB-C. It doesn't look like it. It looks like USB-C to USB-C. I don't know. Right, next. No, hang on, cancel. I don't want to leave the site. I have got a lot of these, but I want to get a box which is actually more kind of like explaining. You know, I don't want to be going through hundreds and hundreds of capacitors trying to find the right one. So I bought one which is actually not so much alphabetically, but put in the right way. So if I need like a 47 PF, that'd probably be this one here. We haven't got a lot in this bag, but we have got a lot more coming through the post. I know there's another one in here, but I can't seem to get the damn thing. Right down here in the corner somewhere. Right, so these are USB Type-C connectors. I got them because they were cheap. I don't really need them, but you know, I thought I'd get them because they're cheap enough. I think they're about £1.50, £2, something like that. Then I've got two of these, so they can be handy. And what these are is, let's pretend this is a piece of wire. You can actually click the wire into there, and have the two separate bits there touching each other, and solder it. So that I saw on another YouTube channel. I thought, that could be handy. And because I'm always losing shit all the time, I did get two of them. This one is I think it's just a magnet thing, and I've already got two of these, would you believe? I think magnetic. Not even magnetic. Oh yes, it is. It just barely picks up the battery. So I've actually got 2 of these already. But it's always worth picking up some spares. You know, never know when you might need them, especially when I lose stuff all the time. Right, we've got 3 more packets here. Then we go on to the big stuff from Amazon. Right, these are some more pins. I ordered more. So I do want to start using pins on some of my projects. What projects I'm going to be doing, I don't bloody well know, but I think these are pins as well. Yeah, more pins. So we've got quite a lot of pins. I have got more up there, which we got last week. And the last one from Aliexpress for today, because we have got more coming later in the week. And these are the ones that I actually wanted, but they're a bit smaller. They are smaller. You know, they were double the length. I've been even more happier. But I think I might have ordered the small ones. I can't remember. But with these ones, these are USB to USB. Let's just get one out. That knife was a bit blunt, actually. Yeah, these are a lot longer. You know, people do now have, like, you know, USB to USB. I've got a plug socket over there with USB to USB-C. So, yeah, they would do. I will look for the other ones, see if I can get USB to USB-C at a later date if I need them. Oh. I thought I already opened them all. What's in here? Oh, my little saws. I'm glad these come today, actually. I am glad that these turned up today, because I'll show you the reason why I am glad that these turned up today. So I've got a little bag somewhere. I'll have to put them back in this bag for now. I think there's 10 in there, or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, yeah. Because my hands are sometimes, like, you know, especially my left hand, have arthritis. When I'm cutting a box open, I used to use, you know, like box cut or a Stanley knife. And a few times my hand has slipped and I'll cut myself open. So let's open this one first. So it feels like there's several items in this one. Right, I did buy 2. I was looking for one of these yesterday. I know I've got some somewhere. I think I've actually got one at my bushcraft, and I'm going to go all the way to my bushcraft to get, you know, which is like an hour travel on a bus, just to get a bloody pair of pliers. I didn't just buy one, I bought 2. And they were, let me see how much they were. Well, actually, they come in a pack of 2 anyway. 2 pieces for £6, 64p they were. I could have got just the single one for about £3, but I just couldn't be bothered. I thought, I'm always losing stuff, as I keep saying. So, I'll grab 2. Like this. What is this? This is my little Dremel. It came with 1 blade. The reason I bought this, but I know I've got one. I've got one of the proper power tool ones, but I just can't be bothered. Like, it's too bulky. It's too bulky. So I thought, I could have got one off Aliexpress, but I didn't want to wait around for it too long. I have got something similar coming through. I have actually got one of these somewhere, but I don't know where it is. So I had it in my hand about a week ago, but where the fuck it went, I don't know. And I just could not be bothered to hunt around for the damn thing again. So I got that from Amazon. And that one cost me £15.99p. £16. Right. Next one. Gloves. Yes, gloves. Because when I was taking apart the battery yesterday to get the ferrous rod out, it made a mess everywhere. My hands were completely black. So, and I didn't even have a pair of pliers I could actually pull the ferrous rod out. So, that's the reason why I bought the pliers and the gloves. Now, the thing is, are the gloves going to fit me? Because these are supposed to be large. I'm digging into the fucking gloves on my own. Why do they make it awkward to open boxes sometimes? So these gloves were £2.51. Wrong side. Yeah, they would do fine. Make it my hand. Next, please. Bend over. Cough. I've had that done a couple of times in the hospital. Bend over. Don't worry, this won't hurt. Cough. Oh my God, what have you stuck up my bumhole? This crap in this empty box. Now, the best thing I've ordered, and I don't even have anything to use it with at the moment, and I've always wanted to get one. I actually tried building my own one before, but I never did. Well, I did. I actually did build one before. What's this? Oh, these are the clips. But they ain't the ones I wanted though. I bought them hoping I might be able to use them, and these were £4.99 for 100. But when I was sorting out some stuff in my living room the other day, these are the ones I wanted, and I actually found some. And just now, outside where that person's been doing all the shit, doing their bathroom, I found this, so I thought I'd grab this. It actually smells of something. It's a LED light, but look what's on it. And it's got some cable in it. So yeah, I don't think you can actually strip that apart though. Because it's riveted. There is a screw there. There's 2 rivets there. I don't know, I'm going to try and take it apart. I might even see if it works. Because it has got like an LED light in it. But these are what I've been looking for. And I actually did find something in my living room the other day. So I'll close this box back up. Move that out of the way. Now the thing is, this has got to be put together. And I'm no good at putting stuff together. I'm hoping they've got instructions in it. Well, I've just already dropped something. Oh. I need no instruction in there. But what it is, my friends, it is a cable stripper. And then what you can do is you can actually put a drill on it as well, and it'll turn a lot quicker. Now, what side does this one go? Does it go this side? You might go that side. I've got to check on Amazon quickly, see what side it goes. And it goes this side. So what do I need? There's spare blades here. God, that is sharp. So you've got to cut a spare blade with it. I'm thinking this might be the screw. Don't know what the screws are for though. Oh, that's. Oh, I know. It's got some screws here. So what I can do is when I'm threading it, I ain't got no wire to thread at the moment, but what I can do is, I think it goes this way round. So I would probably have to have it here on the table like that. Like so when I'm doing it. And if I'm going to use a motor, I'd have to have it on here and then put the drill for this bit. I thought it would come with a drill extension actually. So how the hell am I supposed to use a drill on it if I ain't got a drill extension? That don't make sense, does it? And it does come with a pair of shitty gloves as well, which I won't use. So all this needs to go in here. I don't know what it is. So the thing is, I have arthritis in my left hand, so it will be a bit hard for me to actually. Yeah, they are very sharp, they are. So that was, if you're interested in getting one from Amazon, that was £28, 49p, free shipping if you got Amazon Prime. And the only thing is, I've got nowhere to stick it at the moment. Same with the pliers. Well, actually, I might have one space for one set of pliers. The other pair of pliers will be put in the drawer. I've also got to sort all this stuff out from Aliexpress. Find somewhere to put these. Got to find somewhere to put these cables. Yeah. See, most of my stuff I normally use like normal batteries, like AAA, AA, 9-volt. But I wanted to start using rechargeable batteries. Because I do have a lot of like Type C and micro charging boards, which I've got from Aliexpress and from Amazon. So in future, when I start doing some more electronics, that's what's going to happen. I'll start using rechargeable stuff. Because if you think about it, guys, how much money do you spend on normal batteries each week or each month? And what happens to those batteries when they've been used? They get thrown away into the dump. And they probably do end up in the dump. So, yeah. But I know I've got some more stuff coming from Aliexpress. So I do have 2 accounts. On my second new account, I've got like 2 packages coming through there. And I've got about between 8 and a dozen items on each of those. And then I've got about another 3 packages coming through on my main account. So there will be more unboxing. But I'm going to kind of like ease off from buying stuff now. Because it is working out kind of expensive. And I can't really keep spending that money when I don't have that type of money to keep spending out. Because when I do spend, I have to cut my food allowance down. So yeah, I've now just got to find somewhere to put the cables and all these other bits and pieces. That's going to take me about an hour to suss out, so I don't rush myself anymore. So anyway, don't forget, just like, share, subscribe. If you haven't already done so, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, apologies, I don't list the links of where I'll get the stuff from. I'll tell you, like the wire cutter, £28.50 from Amazon. That's the cheapest one. If I had the money, I would pay that £350 for an electric one. But because I don't have much cable anyway. I've got to go out and looking for cable, which I might start doing this week. You know, just have a little walk around, see if anyone's doing any house upgrades, and if there's any cable, and ask them if I can grab the cable. Because then that way will actually save me a little bit of money on buying cabling wires. And yeah, I also want to try to find some old like electronics as well, like I used to do, because then I can start stripping and saving money on components as well that way. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.